Yes, good evening all. Good evening, children.
Sir.
Good evening, sir.
So we were doing the questions based upon Vevicov method when we have even powers, right? I think we started doing that, and we have left with one more topic, and then we'll begin with the next topic. All right.
Sir.
So till what we did, I think we were solving the Vevicov method question. So let me go with that only. Vevicov method with even and odd powers. So once we're done with that, then we'll start with the binomial theorem. Okay. Once we're done with that, we will go with the binomial theorem. Okay. Binomial theorem, definitely you will get one question from binomial theorem. One definite question. So so let me give the question. Everyone solve this. So solve for x. So the expression given to you is x minus 1 to the power of 2001 into x minus 2 into 100 all divided by x minus 3 to the power of 23 into x minus 4 all to the power of greater than or equal to 0. So this is what the question given to you, guys. I'll solve this question. Next question you guys must solve. So everyone listen the class carefully. Okay. So coefficient of x is what here? Negative, not negative, everywhere positive, 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 positive. First step did. We did the first step. Next, what is the next step? So I have to plot the critical points on the number line. Look at this here. Minus infinite to plus infinite. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So greater than or equal to 0. First we need to start with plus. And look at the power of 4 here. What is the power of 4? Even or odd? I have 1 here. So power of 4 is what? Power of 4 is odd here. Look at this. Power of 4 is odd number. So sign changes. Look at the power of 3 here. Odd power. Again, sign changes. Minus to plus.
Sir, we cannot see screen, sir.
We cannot. I'm sorry. I think I thought I was. Look at this, guys. I'm sorry. So this is a question given to you guys. I drawn a real number line. So I just plotted a critical points on that. Critical point is nothing but look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. These critical points. Okay. Critical points. How do you solve critical points? X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Equating all these expressions. Equating all these expressions with the 0. So that's how we can solve this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So power of the 4 is what? I always start with the plus from the right to left. I'll go with plus minus plus minus plus minus if I have odd powers. If at all we have odd and even powers both, I'll always start with plus and I'll check the power of 4. I'll check the power of this number, whatever the number you have here, I'll check the power of that. What is the power of 4 here? 1. So sign changes, plus to minus. What is the power of 3 here? Odd. Odd is nothing but what? Minus to plus. Sign changes. Now power of 2 is what? Even here. So sign will not change here. Plus will be remain plus only. Okay. What is the power of 1 here? What is the power of 1? Odd or even? Power of 1 is odd or even? Odd number. So plus to minus. It changes plus to minus. When is odd power. odd power, sign changes. Even power, no change. No change in sign. Okay. No change in sign basically. Okay. So now look at this. I need greater than or equal to 0. So greater than or equal to is nothing, but I need only plus regions. I need what regions? Plus regions. So here, here, here. So write the solution set now. I mean solution. X belongs to what? 1 to 2 union 2 to 3 union 4 to infinite. Okay. Now write the brackets now. 1 to 2. Should I write open bracket or close bracket for 1? Open bracket or close bracket? Guys, for 1, should I write open or close bracket? Which bracket we must put in? Guys, which open bracket or close bracket for 1 here? I can include 1 here, so close bracket. Can we include 2 or not? Yes, we can. So close again. Can we include 2? Yes, we can. Can we include 3 here? We cannot. Why? Because denominator part becomes 0 if we include. So open bracket. Can we include 4? No. So infinite is always open bracket. So this is my solution. This is my x. Understood? Any doubts? One second, children. Tell me, children. Okay, this is the answer of this. Okay. Next. Next question, guys. 2 minus x whole cube into x minus 21 whole to the power of 6 divided by 2x minus 3 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so solve this quick, only 1 minute of time. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Come on, make it fast, guys. If you do not understand, please kindly ask. Guys, I'm not getting the answer. What happened? Tanishq, what is the answer, Tanishq? Adesha, what is the answer?
Doing, sir.
See, there is nothing to do actually. Look at this here. Coefficient of x is positive or negative? Tell me.
Positive, sir.
Check once. Check carefully.
Sir, for 2 it is positive, sir. For 1 it is negative.
For look at this here. For coefficient of this is negative here positive, here positive. So what I told, whenever the coefficient of x is negative, I ask you to make it as positive. So how can I do that? How can I do that?
Multiplying by minus.
Look at this. If I multiply with minus, what happens? Look at this here. So multiplying with minus, multiplying with minus. Okay. So what it becomes now? Look at it, greater than or equal to 0. Okay. If you multiply with minus, what happens? This changes get up. Okay, less than or equal to 0, right? We have odd power here. Whenever you have odd power, it still remains the same. Look at this. I mean, it changes. So it becomes what now? X minus 2 whole cube into x minus 21 whole square. I mean, whole to the power of 6 divided by 2x minus 3 whole to the power of 6 less greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So now plot on the number line. So 3 by 2 to 21, isn't it? Correct? Now look at this here. What happens here? So write the solution set now. First of all, I always start with plus. Power of the 21 is what? Power of the 21 is what? Even number. So sign will be same. Power of the 2 is what? Power of the 2 is what here? Look at this. Power of the 21 is even. Sign will not change. Power of the 2 is what? Odd here. So sign changes. Power of the 3 by 2 is what? Even number. So sign will be remain same. So what I need here? What I need here? I need greater than or equal to 0, which means I need only plus regions. So 2 to infinite, 2, sorry, not 2 to infinite, 2 to 21 union 21 to infinite. Infinite is always open bracket. Whether 2 is open bracket or close bracket? Whether 2 is open bracket or close bracket? Tell me, can we include 2 here? Can we include 2 or not? Guys, I don't understand one thing. How, why it is difficult? Why you are feeling difficult? Why you are not able to give the answer? May I know, please? May I know why you guys are feeling difficult to understand this? I'm asking open bracket or close bracket. Open is nothing but not including. Close bracket is nothing but including. Here, can we include 2 or not? If I include 2 in place of x, whether it is going to satisfy you, are you going to get valid statement or not? People, are you able to understand or not? Guys, are you here? Guys, are you here or not? Open bracket or close bracket? Do you want to respond or not? Okay. Niyati, why are you late, Niyati?
Sir, again, sir, until now the joint live class didn't come. My dad spoke to Sirisha ma'am. She said she'd see what was happening.
Okay. Okay. Adisha, tell me open bracket or close bracket here? For 2, either open bracket or close bracket, which bracket it must be included? Okay. Anjali, close bracket or open bracket? Hello. Open bracket or close bracket? Guys, kindly understand one thing here. I'm calling you guys. If you do not respond, it's really feel very irritated to the faculty. When I'm calling you, say respond. Sir, my mic is not working. My that is not, that is a problem. Yes, you could say anything. When I'm calling you, if you're not responding, it is really not gonna be good. Seriously, I don't like such type of things in the class. Seriously, see, I'm asking something, you say yes or no. If you know the answer, yes sir. If you do not know the answer, please put a message called IDK. I don't know in the message box. Put a message like IDK policy. I'm texting you. Look at this IDK. Post like this. Look at the chat box. IDK is nothing but I don't know. So I'll go through that again. I'll explain it again. I'm telling you, like Chotu Papa, you are not understanding why. I'm telling you to ask. If you don't understand anything, you try to ask that. And when I'm calling, if you don't respond, it really irritates the faculty. I'm asking open bracket or close bracket, Anjali, here. Here, open bracket or close bracket, beta. I don't know is whether it is a problem with my mic or whether it is a problem with your mic. Sorry?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. See here, my question here is open bracket is nothing, but I can include it. So I cannot include that. 1 second. Open
Yes, sir.
bracket.
For
Look at 1 second, 1 second.
no,
Please.
sir. For which one? Like for the start part or the second part?
See here, I'm asking you, beta, my solution set is what here, greater than or equal to 0. I need these plus regions. Am I correct? So plus region is nothing but from where to where?
Yes,
2
sir.
to 21, 21 to infinite. Correct?
2 to 21 and
21,
21 to
union,
infinity.
21 to infinite.
Union to.
Infinite is always
Yes,
open
sir.
bracket. Now whether 2 is open bracket or close bracket. How do we check that? I'll be substituting in this 2. Sir, how can we check 2 beta? Here greater than or equal to given. Even you substitute 2, what happens? It becomes 0. 0 by something, 0 only. 0 greater than 0. Valid statement or not? 0 is greater than 0
Yes,
is a
sir.
wrong statement. But 0 can be greater than or equal to 0. 0 can be equal to 0.
Yes,
So that
sir.
is a valid statement. So if I substitute 2 here, my statement is going to be true. So that is the reason I can include 2 here. Okay, include. Can we include 21 or not? Can we include 21? Can we include 21 or not? Check. Easy,
Yes, sir.
common sense, beta. Look at this. I can include 21 here. So look at this here. 21 minus 2 whole to the power of 3 into 21 minus 21 to the power of 6 divided by 2 into 21 minus 3 whole to the power of 6. All right, greater than or equal to 0. So
Yes, sir.
0 greater than 0. Still you can include valid statement. I can include this. Have been telling the same story, but still people are not responding. I don't know. Tanish, Adesha, I don't see you people are responding in the class. Okay, no problem. So look at this here. I can include 21 here. I'm including 21. So close bracket. This is a answer is going to be. But look at this here. But look at this here. What I need beta here? What I need here? Is the answer is correct? Is the answer is correct? Is the answer is correct? Check.
Yes, sir.
Check. Look at this here. Check. Look at this here. I wrote here. I look at this here. I wrote greater than or equal to 0. Here less than or equal to 0. I wrote here. But what I wrote earlier? What I wrote earlier here? It was greater than 0 only. I didn't change that. No one is observing. Look at this here. No one is observing. Less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 is nothing but my solution region is going to be changed now. Look at this here. My solution region is going to be changed. Why? Look at this here. Less than, minus, minus. I'll be selecting not this one. I have beta greater than or equal to 0 given. Why? I changed it as less than or equal to 0. How? Why? Because your coefficient of x is negative. For making coefficient of x positive, I multiplied with minus here. Okay. So less than, greater than or equal to 0 became less than or equal to. Inequality changes as per the property we learnt in the starting of the class. Okay. Then look at this here. So I need what now? Negative regions, which this and this I need. So minus infinite to what is the answer now? Tell me now. At least now tell me. How many of you will tell the answer? Let's see. Tell me, guys.
minus open bracket minus
Open bracket minus infinity to 3
minus
by 2.
infinity 3 comma 2.
3 by 2, not 3 comma 2.
Yeah, sorry, 3 by 2, sir.
3 by 2 open bracket, close bracket.
Close open bracket, sir.
Why open bracket?
Sir, if we substitute in that, then
It will not satisfy. Denominator part becomes what?
it's
0.
not sir.
Denominator part cannot be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So we cannot include 3 by
Okay,
2.
sir.
Open
It
bracket.
can't be wrong.
Include union. Now 3 by 2 I can include 3 by 2 to 2. Can we include 2 or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir. We can
Yes, we
include
can
2.
include. So now union, what is the answer? Union 21 as well, right? Union 21. Why 21? Tell me. Can we include 21 here? Can we include 21?
There will be 2 comma 21, right? Closed bracket 2
No.
comma
Here
21.
less than or equal to 0 have less than or equal to 0. It could be less
Oh.
than 0 or equal to 0. So which means, look at this here, 21. Why? Because he has given greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. So I can include 21 here. 21. 21. Now look at this here. 1 second. People who is responding now? Close bracket is close bracket. Okay. So this is what the answer, guys. Look at this here. We have strict inequality, which is nothing but we have less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 we have. So that is the reason. This is where x belongs to answer is going to be. X belongs to answer is going to be. Clear? Any doubts? Now, guys, look at this here. I'll tell you one important concept now. This is Wevico method be done. Now I'm going to teach you now graph for linear inequalities. So first, suppose because let's say any question, you have 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Okay, greater than 6. So you have this question. So basically, how I represent this inequality on the graph. First of all, what you have to do here is, your first step is write this as an equation. This is my equation. Write that as an equation. Okay, make a box. Look at it here. Take any two values, x, y here. You need to solve x and y first. So if x is equal to 0, what is the y value? 3. If y is equal to 0, what is the x value? 2. So always take first x 0, then you will get y value. In second step, you take y value as 0 so that x value will get 2. Next, look at this here. What I'm going to do here is, listen to me carefully. If you don't listen to the class, you will not understand it. It's very simple. Look at this here. So this is my y-axis, in fact, x-axis. So let us plot this points on the graph. Very simple. So 0, 3. This is 0. 0, 3 is going to be where 0, 3. This is my 0, 3. Okay. And 2, 0. 2, 0 will be somewhere here. Okay. Now I'll be joining these 2 points. Like this, I'll be joining these 2. Okay. Sir, is this the answer? No. Guys, inequality he's asking. So this line shows what? This line represents 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. This line represents linear equation in 2 variables, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Perfect. Now, this is my origin, which is 0, 0. Okay, origin 0, 0. Perfect. So beta, look at this here. I have this line, right? I have this line, correct? This line is a dotted line, beta, not thick line. You need to draw dotted line like this. Why? Because your inequality is strict inequality. You have strict inequality. So what is strict inequality? Strict inequality comes under less than, comma, greater than. Okay. Strict equality is nothing but less than, comma, greater than. Guys, look at this here. And stack inequality. Stack inequality is nothing but less than or equal to, comma, greater than or equal to. Whenever you have less than or equal to and comma greater than or equal to, such type of inequalities are called as stack inequalities. So look at the question now. We have greater than G, greater than 6, which is nothing but strict inequality. So I'll be getting dotted line. Whenever you have less than, greater than, you always write with a dotted line. Okay. Next, now whether my solution is going to be above the dotted line or below the dotted line. Whether my solution is going to be above the dotted line or below the dotted line. So that is what the question here. So for checking that, what I do here is I'll be taking one point here. I'll be taking one point. Let me take origin here. I'll be taking one point. Origin is lying below the line or above the line? Origin is lying below the line or above the line? Respond. Below or above? Origin is below the line or above the line? Tell me. Guys, is it above or below to that line, dotted line? It is below or not? Look at this is below, this is above, isn't it? Yes or no, guys? Am I correct? So I'll be taking one point here, which is below. Okay, 0, 0 I'm taking. Okay, take this, put 0, 0 in the, this is star equation. Okay, let us say star equation. In star equation. So what you are going to get now? Look at this, 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than 6. So 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 can't be greater than 0. This is what? False. False statement or not? False statement or not? Yes or no? So which is nothing but any point you take below the dotted line, which is not going to satisfy with the given inequality. Any point you take, any point I'm telling you, any point below the line, if I take and substitute in the given inequality, it is never going to satisfy. Understood my point? So which is nothing but I got false statement here. So my solution is going to be above the line now. My solution is going to be what? Above the line. Solution is going to be above the line. Correct? Understood my point? Guys, my solution is going to be above the line. Why? Below the line is I'm not satisfying with that. So above the line, any point you take and substitute in this inequality, definitely it will be satisfying. Understood my point? Any doubt, guys? Guys, till this, any doubts? Till this, do you guys have any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Understood here?
Yes, sir.
Very, very simple, beta. I'll be giving you one more question here. I'll give one more question. Very simple question. Just a minute. Chalo. Let's say one small equation, let's say you x minus y greater than less than or equal to 2. Now which inequality we have here? Stack inequality. Less than or equal to. So first of all, what I write here, first step is going to be x minus y is equal to 2. So I'll make a box. Very simple. Routine procedure for each and every inequality. Okay. So x, y. First of all, I'll be taking x value 0. If x is equal to 0, what is y value is going to be? Minus 2. Isn't it? If x is 0, what is y value? Minus 2 or not? If y is 0, what is x value? What is y value? If y is 0, x value is 2. Okay. So represent on the number line now. Look at this. I mean graph, sorry, not number line. So 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2 is what now? Where is the 0, minus 2? 0, minus 2 would be somewhere here. Okay. 2, 0. 2, 0 would be somewhere here. Okay. So I'll be now dotted line or thick line. Dotted line or thick line, guys? You know, when you have less than greater than, dotted line. When you have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, thick line. Understood my point? Understood or not, guys? Understood or not? Very good. Look at it. So thick line. Okay. So thick line I drawn. Very good. Fantastic. So look at this here. I'll be taking below the line 1 point, which is origin. Sir, why you're taking always below the line? This is above the line. This is below the line. Okay. Above the line, below the line. I always take origin only. I always take origin and substitute in a star equation. The given inequalities I'm taking as star equation. Substitute in a star equation. Put 0, 0 in star. So 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2. 0 less than or equal to 2. 0 less than or equal to 2 or not? True or not? True statement. So the solution is going to be what? Solution is going to lie origin side. This is how you represent. That's it. That is your answer. Khatam. Understood my point better now? Clear or not? If at all my statement is false, the answer would have been this side. Clear? This is how you represent and leave the answer. And guys, this concept is again very important for CBSE students. For CBSE students, for Telangana State Board students, it is not required for your IPE point of view. But for JEE point of view, for CBSE student class 11th, those who are in class 11th, again you will be using in class 12th in a topic called linear programming. In a chapter called linear programming problems, definitely it is going to be very, very important. Okay. Hope it is clear, children. This is a class 11th topic. Again, you'll be getting in class 12th for CBSE students. Okay, it is very important concept. Again, you'll be using the same concept for solving linear programming problems. Hope it is clear, guys. Any doubts? Any doubts, people? Any doubts? Very good. Chalo. We'll solve one more question. We'll solve one more question. Sir, he has given only one inequality. If he is giving 2, 3, 4 inequalities, then what we should do? What we should do? Look at it here. If at all I have some inequalities like this, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Then in that case, in this type of cases, what I have to do? Okay, sir, fine. You had only one inequality. You drawn the diagram. You drawn the you just represented the inequality on the graph. So that is fine. We understood that. Now, in this type of situations, what exactly we must do? Look at this here. Same thing, Babu. You don't change anything. Same. Look at this here. Take this as what? 2x plus y is equal to 6, and take this as 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Put a box for this. Okay. If x is equal to 0, what is y value? 6. If y is 0, what is x value? 3. Isn't it? Very simple. Always same procedure. Look at it here. X value, y value. So same thing. Look at it here. If x is equal to 0, what is y value? 3. If y is 0, what is x value? 4. Okay. I'll be representing on the number line. Look at this now. So not number line, guys. Again and again, I'm getting number line on the graph, on the xy graph. Okay. So 0, 3. 0, 3 would be somewhere here. 0, 3 would be somewhere here. Let's take this as 0, 3 point. And 3, 0 would be somewhere here. Okay. 3, 0 would be somewhere here. Okay. 0, 3 already I drawn here. 4, 0. 4, 0 would be somewhere here. Okay. First of all, look at this here. Join these two. Dotted line or thick line, guys? I need to draw thick line. Why? Because we have greater than or equal to. Okay. If you have less than greater than, I should draw dotted line. Okay. Fine. We have this. Okay. This is how I can draw the line. Next, this is the graph. This is the graph of this box, and let's make a graph of this box now. So now, first of all, after drawing the line, what I have to do now? Let's take a point here. Okay, I finished drawing that. Now let's wait for this box. Let's wait for a while. First of all, what we do here now, substitute 0, 0. So put 0, 0 in star 1. Star equation. What is the star equation? This is my star equation. This is my hashtag. Let's say hashtag and star. So star equation 2x plus y, right? So 2 into 0 plus y greater than or equal to 6 given. So 0 greater than 0. So 0 greater than 6. 0 greater than or equal to 6. Is it true statement or false statement? Tell me. Is it a true statement or false statement? This is 2x plus y is equal to 6, right? Okay. I took 0, 0 and substituted in star equation. Is it a true or false? This is a false statement. So this side, when you get false side, beta, 0, 0 is lying below, right? You will get opposite now. This side, your solution set is going to be. Why? Because my statement is false, right? If at all 0, 0, I would have, if I get true here, I would have drawn below the line. Okay, understood my point? Yes. Next, now let's draw the graph for this. 0, 3. 0, 3 is already here. 4, 0. 4, 0 would be where? Where it would be? 4, 0 would be somewhere here. 4, 0 would be somewhere here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Or else you take one thing, 0, 3. Let's take some other point. Let's not make this. Let's write 1 here. If x is equal to 1, what is y value? You can take any one. You can take any values for x and y, beta. I took for my calculation purpose. For my easy calculation, I took 0, 0. Okay. For my easy calculation, so common solution region is taken as the answer in the graph. Exactly, beta. Common solution you must take. Adesha given the answer is taken as answer in the graph. Exactly. Adesha, look at this. I can't read the message again and again, beta. Please try to talk in the class so that it is easy for me to go through the your opinion. Okay.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, I can hear you. If x is equal to 1, what is the y value now? What is the y value?
Sir, I don't know, sir. This is the problem of mic, sir.
Okay, if x is equal to -1, what is the y value? Or if x is equal to -2, if x is equal to -2, what is the y value? Or +2, anything you take for easy calculation. If x is equal to 2, what is the y value? What is the y value, beta? If x is equal to 2, what is the y value? 6. So 6 by 2. So 3 by 2. If y is
3
equal
by
to
2, sir.
if y is equal to 0, what is x value? 4. So 2, 3 by 2. 2, 3 by 2 is nothing but 2, 1.5. 2, 1.5 would be somewhere here. 2, 1.5 would be somewhere here. Isn't it? 2, 3 by 2. 4, 0. 4, 0 would be somewhere here. So draw the line for this. Okay. Now let's take 0, 0 again. Let's 0, 0. Again put 0, 0 in a hashtag equation. What is the hashtag equation now? 3x plus 4y, right? Less than or equal to 12, right? Okay. So 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than 12. False statement. Look at it. 0 less than true statement. Sorry. True statement. Isn't it, beta? True statement or not? Children, is it clear?
Yes,
True
sir.
statement or not? Yes, exactly. So it is below the line only now. Look at this here, below the line. So this line, this side, the solution is going to be this side. Now I need to take common region. What is the common region we have here? This is my common region. Look at this here. Let me shade it. Let me shade you the green color. Common region, beta. Where exactly the blue and red color lines are matching here? This area. Look at this here. This area. This full area. Isn't it? Or else let me highlight that.
Yes, sir.
Let me highlight with the color so that, my goodness, I think I have to change it as white color. 1 second. Page number, page color, I have no fill. Okay. Look at this here, everyone. Now this is my common region here. जो भी look at it, this is a common region. This is the common region. This is my answer is going to be. This is where the blue and red lines are matching. Am I correct? Look at this, beta. Oh my goodness. This is where the blue and red lines are matching or not. Check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, as understood or not? Let me highlight with some other color. Look at this, not yellow. The black color. Look at this here. My God, it is very. This is a common region. Am I correct? Hope it is clear, beta. This is the common region.
Yes, sir.
This, this black color thick triangle is a common region. Hope it is clear. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Guys, here you can extend this as well. Look at this here. There is nothing wrong if you extend this line like this. Okay, nothing wrong if you extend this line. You can extend this. You can extend this. Okay, no problem. All right, people understood or not? Yes, only 2 inequalities given. If at all they are giving you 3 inequalities, how would you solve that? Same procedure, but look at this here. If they are giving you 3 or 4 inequalities, let's solve with 4 inequalities. If I take 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, x plus 3y less than or equal to 30, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. First of all, what I do, I'll draw a box. X, y. First of all, let's write this as so. If x is equal to 0, what is the y value? 15. If y is 0, what is x value? 20. So here, look at this for this one. What the box is going to be? If x is 0, what is the y value? 10. If y is 0, what is the x value? 30. So here for this x is equal to 0 directly we can draw y is equal to 0 directly. Perfect. So what I do here is now I just simply draw the diagram. I mean x and y axis. Look at this. We will take the 1 second. Axis, y axis. Clear? So and 0 comma 15 here. This is my 0 comma 0. In fact, 0 comma 15, 0 comma 15. Where it would be? It will be somewhere here. So let's take 3 units. 0 comma 15 is somewhere here. Okay, and 20 comma 0 would be somewhere here. Can take roughly. I'm taking, guys. If you draw on the graph, you get exactly. Okay, and 0 comma 10 would be somewhere here. First of all, guys, as soon as you finish plotting the coordinates, try to draw the diagram. Try to draw the line. So thick line or dotted line? Thick line only. Why? Because we have greater than or equal to 0. Thick line. Very good. So 0 comma 10 would be somewhere here. Next 30 comma 0 would be somewhere here. So I have to extend this. 30 comma 0. Okay, so solve this. Join like this. My God. Join like that. Okay, please try. Give the names, guys. These guys, red line has name, green line has name, so give the names. 3x plus 4y is equal to 60. Don't write greater than or equal. These are line, so equal to 60. Okay, this is x plus 3y is equal to 30. So x is equal to 0. What is the line? X is equal to 0 line is what? What is x is equal to 0 line here? X is equal to 0 line is this. This is my x is equal to 0 line. Beta, look at this. Y is equal to 0. Look at this. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Both are having here. Yes or no? Okay. Now, so you can extend these lines. You can extend these lines. Okay. Now look at this here. What is a common region now? Tell me. First of all, not common region. We have to identify the, we have to identify the solution region of the particular red line. If I take 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, put 0 comma 0 in 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, less than or equal to 60. So 0 comma 0, 3 into 0, 4 into 0, less than or equal to 6. So 0 less than is 60, true. So true is nothing but, so red line, right? Red line. So the solution is going to be towards this origin. True statement. True statement is nothing but it is satisfying. So 0 is below the line. Your solution is going to be below the line. Okay, people. Any doubts? Any doubt till this? Till this, any doubt, guys? Till this, any doubts? Yes, 1 second, children. So it is below the line. Okay. Now look at this here. Green line. What is the green line here? What is the solution of the green line? Put 0 comma 0 in x plus 3y less than 30. So 0 plus 0 less than 30. 0 is less than or equal to 30. True statement. So this is also going to be green line solution, also going to be what? Below the line only, like this. Okay, so what is the common region now? Common region of next x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and that green lines, red line, which is the area in common? Which area is in common right now? This is a portion in common. Look at this here. This is a portion in common. One second, let me draw it. This is, oh, 1 second, guys. This is a common region or not? This is a common region, isn't it? Yes or no, children? That is the line. Look at this, a common region for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0 is all coming. Guys, here y is equal to 0 is also coming, x is equal to 0 is also coming. And this green color line also matching, this red color lines also matching. All the lines are having common region. That is a common region. Okay. So don't immediately decide the common region. First you draw the solution, then you decide which is the common region. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. Any doubts? Many of you might be thinking that, sir, you are substituting 0 here. How you are deciding the below the line or above the line? Beta, look at this here. What I'm trying to say is, let's say your line is like this, beta. Okay. You substitute, let's say here 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6, something given to you. Okay. You took 0 comma 0. Substitute 0 comma 0 here. This is star equation, for example. Okay. Substitute here. What you would get now? 2 0 3 0 less than or equal to 6. So 0 less than 6. True statement or not? True, which means if I substitute below the line, 0 comma 0 is below the line or not? Yes. So if I substitute any point, not only 0 comma 0, you substitute any point which is lying below the line in the given inequality, it always satisfies. So why you are not taking 1 comma 2 here? Why you are not taking 1 comma 0? You can substitute 1 comma 0 also, right? You can substitute 2 comma 0 also, right? You can substitute, better, nothing wrong with that. But 0 comma 0, it makes your calculation easy. That is the reason I always take 0 comma 0. Okay, 0 comma 0 I substitute means I am getting true statement. So true statement is nothing but 0 comma 0 is lying below the line. So your solution is going to be below. Okay, below. If at all, look at this here. These are examples I'm telling you. One more example, let's take, you have a graph like this, somewhere like this. Okay, somewhere graph like this. Okay, let's say that your graph is this line is any graph you have 3x minus 4y greater than 9 something you have. Let's say the first, suppose, and guys I'm drawing a rough diagram. Okay, rough diagram. Let's say the 3 0. I don't know whether the graph is correct or not, guys. I don't know whether the graph, the line which I drawn, this is correct, which is matching to this equation or not, inequality or not. For example, I'm explaining you. Okay, put 0 comma 0. So this is star equation. So 3 into 0 minus 4 into 0 greater than 9. So 0 greater than 9. True statement or false statement? False statement. So 0 comma 0 is below the line. This is 0 comma 0. So when I take 0 comma 0, I'm getting false, which is nothing but it is not lying on the below line. False is nothing but above the line always. Okay, understood my point now? Understood, children? Any doubts?
Understood.
Yes, very simple, guys. Guys, don't consider don't consider these are correct graphs. These are wrong graphs. I took some random piece and I'm explaining you. It does not mean that that is a correct one. Okay, so for your understanding purpose, I'm explaining you how the graph should be chosen. I mean, how the graph should be plotted. Understood? Any doubts? Niyati, Tanish, Adesha, Anjali, any doubts? Any
No, sir.
doubts? Tanish?
No, sir.
Revise it. Niyati, any doubts, Niyati?
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Niyati, any doubts?
Yes, sir. I didn't finish the second recording, sir. I'll finish that. I'm almost done, then I'll understand.
No. There is nothing matching. There is no relation between that and this actually. So it is completely different. That is completely different. Both are same topics. Both are from the same chapter. But the thing is, this is representation of the inequality on the graph. That was WeXL method.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir.
helped-
That part I understood.
Yeah. So this part you understood or not now?
Yes, sir. I did.
Very good. So if at all you have any doubt, beta, feel free to ask. Don't feel shy at all. Do not hesitate to ask something to me. Kindly do ask me immediately if at all you have anything. So that really helps you to grow. That really helps you to boost your confidence. If at all you are not asking, that doubt remain, stay with you forever. So that, because of that, you might lose a mark. So kindly do ask if at all you have anything. So, okay. Thank you. So let's stop the class now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. I'll post the homework. Please do solve those questions. Okay. Thank you.